In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer bond payments to fees. To do this, you're going to go to a Guardian's details page and click on their Payments tab. This will land you on the Payment Credit tab. In the Payment Type drop-down box, you're going to select the system type Other. And in the Payment Reason drop-down box, you're going to select Transfer Bond to Fee. A service would use this feature when a Guardian has provided notice and leaving the service. If they have an outstanding fee to pay, this allows the service to transfer the current bond credit that's sitting and held over to pay off their outstanding fees. Please ensure that you set the enrolment amounts manually if the Guardian has more than one enrolment. And again, it is important that you ensure that you enter in the amount for the correct enrolment. So you're going to enter in the amount and click Make Credit Payment, and then click Yes to confirm. When clicking on the Guardian Statement tab, you will now see that we have transferred the bond to the fee with the amount of $500. When viewing the Guardian's customer account statement and scrolling down to the bond summary, you will now see the line item that we have now updated and transferred the bond out to a fee. You can see that's now sitting in a refund, and now the Guardian has no outstanding held or outstanding bond. Under the enrolment that you have entered in that transfer of bond, you will now see the transfer bond to fee line item, and you will now see the credit of the $500. Applying that $500 credit to the Guardian's current balance. For further information on how to transfer bond to fee payments, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.